Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. So today we're back. We're doing an unboxing video of some new models I got from Easy Toys today in the mail. Now I am still alive. I still do like aviation and model airports and stuff, but I just don't have a whole lot of time anymore. So I am still alive. I'm sorry I haven't been doing literally anything for the last couple of weeks, months, whatever. As you can see, the airport is still up. That's a new model over there too. So I still collect, but I don't really have time to make very many videos anymore. Hopefully that'll change, but these are just some of the new releases that have been coming out, again, from Easy Toys. Should be a decent amount of models in here. I can't really remember. There's gotta be at least 3. So we're gonna open this up, see what's inside, and yeah, hope you guys stick around and enjoy this video. All right, so we got the box open. And we will look at the first model right here, which is the Delta Airbus A321neo. This will be a great route for NK International to like Boston or something. So great use for this one, as you can probably see. Next, this one I'm really excited for. We have the Delta Boeing 757-200. I've been waiting forever for NG to release one with the actual standard winglets. I'm currently bidding on one on eBay without the winglets, but we'll see what happens on that one. So yeah, I got 2 Delta NG models. Do the boxes line up on these? No, they don't. Okay, and then the last model. So I ordered 5 models and 2 of them didn't come because I guess Easy Toys essentially just sold more than they had. So I did get the I ordered 2 of the United 737-900s in the old livery. However, they didn't ship them to me because they apparently sold them, which was not smart. But I was able to get some elsewhere, so I already got those. And then last, we have the Phoenix 777-300 for Japan Airlines. The box did kind of get crushed, which is a little annoying, but I don't really care as long as the plane's fine. So yeah, we got these 3 models. We'll go from smallest to medium to biggest. And yeah, 3 great models. Let's open them up. So just taking the box cover off, you can see we got the model, which looks really nice. We have the membership or like points card that you can swipe off the back of that. They don't really have prizes for those yet, but you can enter them on the website. You just go to the link and put it in. But the model, taking that off, looks very nice so far. Yeah, look at that. Looks very nice. Nose looks great, just like the real one. Engines look pretty good. Everything looks fine so far. Setting it on the ground, we can see, yeah, it is a great model. No issues whatsoever. For the engines on the ground, yes, they kind of are. So again, maybe a bit of an issue with those engines. Well, are they on the ground? They have a tiny bit of clearance, which there's no way that's as much clearance as they have in real life, but it is a small model, so you know, gotta give them grace as I give Gemini Jets grace. So but yeah, that's the engines there, which are a little bit bigger than the standard ones. You've got the black paint on the cockpit, which I really don't care for that much, but that's what Airbus does with all their new planes now. So yeah, great model. If I had to go into more detail, you can see we've got all your good stuff up there. Your logos, printing looks great. Like the emergency, or I think that's what those are, the little boxes on the windows. You got your emergency exit routes, lots of detail on the wing. Underside is gonna look great. Yeah, it looks very nice. As you can see there, you've got all your detail up front, the Delta logo on the underside. There's the cargo door and all your detail down here. NG's known for their details. They do a great job with them. There's the registration, which is November 502 Delta X-ray. There's your tail. Yeah, everything looks great. There's your Wi-Fi box. So yeah, everything's good. The gear is slightly, no, it looks good. I was gonna say it was leaning back a little bit, but it looks all right. So yeah, I mean, great model. If you need this one, pick it up. They do operate a lot of transcontinental services. They're mainly based out of Boston, I think. So they're like Atlanta, San Francisco, Orlando, maybe San Diego, out of Boston. So pretty cool. I'll be flying from Boston to MK International. That will be their main route out of here. But I do believe they're ordering more of them. So they have a lot more than just these two on order. So yeah, that's the first model. We'll set it off to the side and we'll look at the Delta 757. All right, next for the 757, you have the more traditional NG box with the foam that tries to break your models, but you gotta do it very carefully. Push it back and then pull that up. And there's the model. So yeah, it looks really, really, really nice. Perfect if you ask me. We'll set it down, take another look at it. Yeah, that's your 757 right there. Favorite aircraft for sure. Yeah, they did a great job with it. Glad that they were able to execute. We have the United one that was my first NG models. Was the old United Continental livery, but this one is very, very, very nice. Will be super helpful for all the Delta routes. I believe this is my 5th Delta 757, so great aircraft. Hope they keep them for a really long time. I love the dual Wi-Fi boxes, which is something Gemini Jet's last version did not have. If you look at it from the ground, yep, it looks just like a 757. Starting up front, you got all the door detail, the logos look great. Engine or landing gear is spot on. There's no issue with it there. You got your engine wing flex, looks just about what a 757 is in real life. As I mentioned earlier, you have your Wi-Fi box, which you have 2 of them back there. You got the antenna, windows, printing looks great back there. There's literally no issue with this model. Flipping it over, you can see you got the Delta logos. The gear look great, engines look great, and yeah, so the registration for this one is November 704 X-ray. So yeah, only 4 digits, which is interesting. I thought they were normally longer than that, but yeah, you got November 704 X-ray. But yeah, that is the model, and we'll move on to the last one. But not least, we have the Japan Airlines 777-300ER. Now here's the box damage I was talking about. So you can see it kind of got smashed up there at the top in that corner. Unfortunately, that is right where the airplane logo or image is, but it's okay. The plane looks just to be fine. So if you haven't already seen, I did a list video almost a year or 2 ago now about top 10 model airplanes I would like to be released in 1 to 400, and I'm pretty sure literally every single plane on that list has now been released. So you know, I did it, guys. No, I didn't actually do anything. It probably had 0 effect, but it is kind of cool that that all those did end up being released. So good job to the manufacturers for knowing what the collectors want. But just taking the plane out of the box, and setting it down, we can see it is a great model. Now Phoenix is known for having their models too glossy. However, this one is literally a white livery, so it literally does not matter. I do kind of enjoy seeing their planes though, because it's, you know, a nice break from all the colorful planes. You just have a nice white one sitting there. So yeah, great mold. Phoenix has, in my opinion, besides JC Wings, one of the best 777 molds out there. I haven't really had I haven't had the Aviation 400 mold yet, but I do think that this one is a little bit better than even NG's mold at the moment, just because their noses, they do a great job with the 777 nose. But yeah, there's the model. You can see all the antennas, Wi-Fi boxes, stuff like that. On the bottom side too, you've got the antennas going down, got your lights, really nothing going on the underside, but you see the registration Juliet Alpha 8945. If you look at it straight down the center, you can see those massive 777 engines that this beast is known for. So yeah, great model. Would highly recommend it because this will sell out. They're really hard to find, so when they announced it, I jumped on it as quick as possible. Yeah, but the Japan Airlines 777-300, and I have this one and a 787 over there. So yeah, this is gonna be a great one for the collection, and we'll head on out to the outro. So that is gonna do it for this unboxing. Hope you guys did enjoy it. Of course, all three models I would highly recommend. They're very nice in quality. If Easy Toys still has them, if they do, go check them out. I wasn't too happy with them with the not sending me part of my order, but you know, things happen. So yeah, great models. Let me know if you guys picked any of these up in the comment section below. Let me hear how you guys are, because I haven't really done anything in a while. And yeah, hopefully gonna try and get some more updates out to you guys, just working more on the technical side, so it makes the updates easier. So like making schedules and stuff just help me out. But yeah, we should be able to roll a little bit quicker. But yeah, hope you guys are doing great. Let me hear from you guys in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video. God bless.